Hello students, now we are going to start question number 4 of Brain Teasers chapter 3. Simplify the following expressions. First question, we can see here we have to add and subtract. Okay, so let's start. So we have wrote the question 3.2 plus 16.09 plus 26.305 minus 1.232. So we have here plus, so we will add all this plus this thing and then we will subtract it by 1.232. So first I will write this and point below point we will take. So 3.2 plus 16.09, point below point will come, so 16.09, then 26.305. I'm going to add this. Okay, so now here nothing is there, we will give 0. Okay, now when we add we get 595.6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 3 15, 45.595. So when we added all these three we got, give is equal to sign, 45.595. what remains? Minus 1.232. so we will subtract here only, minus 1.232. we'll subtract this. So 5 minus 2 3, 6, 5 minus 2 3, 4 and 4. So 44.363 we got, 44.363. 45 is bigger, sign is plus, so it will remain plus. So this is the answer. Okay, next question is minus 5.7 plus 13.20 minus 15.009 plus 0.02. now here when we are going to start this, so see 5.7 is having minus sign and this is having plus, so plus minus minus, opposite signs we get minus. So we will subtract this 13.20 and 5.7. so 13.20 minus 5.7, point below point will come, so here nothing is there, will give 0. 0 minus 0, 2 is smaller than 7, so we will give one number here. Okay, so what remains here? 2. So 12 minus 7 is 5. Again 2 is smaller than 5, we'll take one number from here and here remains 0. 12 minus 5 is 7. I got 7.50. So I will write 7.50. Now here 5 and 7, which one is bigger? 13. 5 in 5 and 13. 13 is bigger, sign of 13 is plus, so I will put plus sign. Okay, now what remains? Minus 15.009 plus 0.02. Now either you can add these both and then subtract by this, because this is also having plus sign. Okay, so see this 0.02 is having plus sign and this is also having plus sign, so you can add this. Otherwise you can plus minus minus, subtract this also. So I'm adding this with this. Okay, 0.02. Why? Because 7.50 is having plus sign, so I'm adding. Okay, and this is also plus sign. So 257. What I got? 7.52. So after adding this and this, I got 7.52 and both are having plus sign. 7 is bigger, having plus sign, so it will be plus. And what remains? 15.009 remains. Okay, so now we will subtract this. So I will write 15.009 minus 7.52. Okay, now here nothing is there, give 0. 9 minus 0 is 9. Now here this 0 is smaller than 2. So we will, first of all we will, here also 0 is there. So one number we will give here. So here remains 4. Here it is now 10, but here also we require one number. So this 10 we will cut and we will give one number here. So this becomes 10 and what here remains? 9 when we give one number here. Okay, so 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 5 is 4. Now again 4 is smaller than 7, so one number we give to this and here remains 0. 14 minus 7 is 7. 7.489. Okay, so what I will write? 7.489. now here 7 and 15, who is bigger? 15. So sign of 15 is minus. So what I will write? minus 7.489 is the answer. Okay, wrote the next question. Now it is in bracket. 0.357 plus 0.96 minus 3.25 minus 2.79. So we have to solve the brackets first. Solve this bracket, then this the bracket, and then we will subtract. Okay, so that is our addition. So we'll add, it is 0.357 plus 0.96. Okay, point below point will come. Here nothing is there, give 0. Now 7 plus 0 is 7, 5 plus 6 is 11, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 10 plus 3 13, 1 carry, 1, and point will come. So it is 1.317. So we will write 1.317. Then minus sign is there. Now we will subtract this, that is subtraction, right? So 3.25 minus 2.79. Okay, now 5 smaller than 9, so we will carry one number from here. 15 minus 9 is what? 6. So what remains here? 1. 1 is smaller than 7, so take one number from here. So here it remains 2. So 11 minus 7 is 4. Then point 2 minus 2 is 0. What we get? 0.46. So write 0.46. Now in this subtraction, 3 is having what here? Plus sign. So it will remain like this only. Okay. Now we are going to subtract this. So 1.317 minus 0.46. Okay. Here nothing is there. Give 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. 1 is smaller than 6. So it becomes 11. Take one number from here. So 11 minus 6 is 5. 2 is again smaller than 4. So 0. Give one number here. 12 minus 4 is 8, and then 0. Okay, so what we got? 0.857. Now who is bigger here? This one. So 1 is having plus sign, so it will also remain plus. Okay, next question. 15 plus 2.57 minus 23.07 minus 5.003. Okay, so now we will add first this. So now 15 is not having a decimal point. So what we will do after the number here, we will put the decimal point and 0. Okay, next is 2.57. 2.57. Going to add this. Now here no number is there, so we'll put 0. Okay, so 0 plus 7 7, 5, 0.5 plus 2 7 1. Okay, 17.57. So what we got? 17.57 after adding this both. Now what remains? Minus 23.07 minus 5.003. Okay, now here this is plus sign, this is minus, plus minus minus, so we are going to subtract this both first. So 23.07 minus 17.57. Okay, so 7 minus 7 0. 0 is smaller than 5 as it is a subtraction, so we'll take one number from here, and here what remains? 2. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Again 2 is smaller than 7, so one number we carried. Okay, so here remains 1. So 12 minus 7 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. So what remains? 5.50. So after subtracting this remains 5.50. Now which number is bigger? 23. Sign of 23 is minus. So what will come? Minus. Now what here remains? 5.003. Now see, minus and minus plus. Same signs we add. So we're going to add this number. So 5.50 is there. We'll add this. 5.003. Okay, here no number is there. We'll give 0. 0 plus 3 0. Sorry, 0 plus 3 is 3. 0, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. So what I got? 10.503 after adding this. Now here which number is bigger? 5.50. Sign of 5.50 is minus. So we'll put minus 10.503. Okay. So we completed question number 4. Now we are going to start question number 5 of Brain Teasers. Without actual division, determine which of the following rational numbers have a terminating decimal representation. We have done these sums, so we don't have to divide. By only taking the prime factor of the denominators, we have to say whether it is a terminating or non-terminating. Okay, so let's start. Okay, now wrote the question 327 upon 125. Now first, before starting, we are going to say whether it is getting reduced or not. So here 7 is there, and when we add also, it's not going in 3 and not going in 2 also, not going in 5, same numbers. So we are not going to reduce now. Directly we will take the denominator. Okay, so what is the denominator? The denominator is 125. So we are going to write the factors of 125. See, factors of 125. By 5 table we are going to take out. Okay, 5 2s are 10, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So what we got? 5 into 5 into 5. See this. Okay, so for terminating decimal, the factors of the denominator should be either 2 or 5 or both 2 and 5. But other than that, other than 2 and 5, if any other number is there, so it is a non-terminating decimal. But here we have 5, so this number is what? A terminating decimal. Okay, so we'll write the prime factor of 125 is 5. Okay, therefore 327 upon 125 is a terminating decimal representation. Okay, so we have completed question number 1. Next question is 99 upon 800. Again, we cannot reduce this number, so we will take out the prime factor. So what is the denominator? The denominator is 800. Okay, so we'll take out the prime factor. So 2, we'll start with 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 zeros are 0, 2 2s are 4, 0 0, 2 1s are 2, 0 0, 2 5s are 10 and 2 zeros are 0, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. Now 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Okay, so what we got the factors of 800? 2 is how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 times, and 5 is 2 times. So if we see, we have only 2 and 5 as the factors of 800. Okay, so we'll write the prime factors of 800 are 2 and 5. Therefore 99 upon 800 is a terminating decimal representation. Okay, the factors should always be 2 or 5 or both 2 and 5. So we have 2 and 5. Okay, next question. Here we cannot reduce this, so we will write. Now we will take out the prime factor. Okay, so 1 2 5 0. Start by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. Now we have 5 in the ones place, so 5 1s are 5, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So what we got? 2 into 5, 5 how many? 4 times. Okay, again if we see, we have only 2 and 5, no other number, so this is a terminating decimal. So we will write the prime factors of 1250 are 2 and 5. Okay, only 2 and 5 is there, so we wrote 2 and 5. Therefore 17 upon 1250 is a terminating decimal representation. If there was any other number, so it would have been a non-terminating. Okay, next question. Next question is 29 upon 200. We cannot reduce this number. So we start, the denominator is 200, right? So we'll take out the prime factor 200. So 2 1s are 2, 0, 0. 2 5s are 10 and 0. 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. 5 5s are 5, 1s are. Okay, so what we got? 2 we got 3 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So we don't have any other number than 2 and 5. So this is a terminating decimal. Okay, so we will write further. So the prime factors of 200 are 2 and 5. See, we got 2 and 5 only. Therefore 29 upon 200 is a terminating decimal representation. If any other number would have been there, then it would be a non-terminating decimal. Okay, next question. Now 135 upon 1625. Now if we see, we have 5 in the ones place of both the number, so this can be reduced by 5. So we are going to first reduce this number. So keeping 5 in mind, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So 5 2s are 10. So 3 carries. So 5 7s are 35. Again here 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25. Further we cannot reduce this number. So now we have the denominator as 325. So we will write the denominator is 325. So we are going to take the factors of 325. So 5 6 are 30. So 2 gets carry. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. 1 gets carry. 5 3s are 15. 13 is a prime factor. So 13 1s are 13. So what we got? 5 into 5 into 13. Now here we have 5 but we have 13. What should we have for terminating decimal? 5 or 2? But we have 13. So this is a non-terminating decimal. Okay, so what we will write? So we will write the prime factors of 325. This are what? 5 and 13. So we wrote 5 and 13. Which is other than 2 and 5? We required 2 and 5, but we have 13 also. So we wrote which is other than 2 and 5. Therefore the question we wrote, okay, 135 upon 1625 is a non-terminating decimal representation. Okay, next question. Now here 1276 upon 680. Okay, so if you see, we have 6 here and here 0. So we can reduce this number by 2. So keeping 2 table in mind, 2 6 are 12. Now here 2 3s are 6, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16. Then 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and 0. More further it's going to reduce. Again they are going in 2 table. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 1 gets carried, 2 9s are 18. Here 2 1s are 2, 1 gets carried, 2 7s are 14 and 0. Now we cannot reduce this. So what is the denominator now here? 170. So we'll write the denominator is 170. Okay, so we will take out the prime factor of that. 170. So 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. Now 5 table. 5 1s are 5, 3 gets carried. 5 7s are 35. 17 is a prime number. So 17 1s are 17. So what we got? 2 into 5 into 17. Okay, so see, we have 2, we have 5, but we require only 2 and 5 or 2 or 5. Then only it is a terminating decimal. But here we have 17 also. So this becomes a non-terminating decimal. Okay, so we will write the prime factors of 170. See this are what? 2 5 and 17. See, 2 5 and 17 we wrote this, but we require only 2 and 5. So which is other than 2 and 5? Other than 2 and 5, what we got? 17. So therefore 1276 upon 680 is a non-terminating decimal representation. Okay, now next question. Next question is 22 upon 190. Here we cannot reduce, so we wrote the denominator is 190. So we are going to take out the factors. Okay, 190. So 2 nines are 18. 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. Okay, so now with 5 table, 5 1s are 5. 4 gets carried. 5 9s are 45. Now 19 is a prime number. So 19 ones are 19. So what we got? 2 into 5 into 19. Okay, so here again we have 2 and 5, but we have 19 also. So this becomes what? A non-terminating decimal, because in terminating decimal we require only 2 and 5, or only 2 or only 5. Okay, but we have 19 also. So we'll write what? So the prime factors of 190 are 2, 5, 19. See, 190 prime factors are 2, 5, 19. This we wrote, which is other than 2 and 5. So 19 we don't, if we want terminating, so it should not be there. Therefore 20 it is there, so we wrote that 22 upon 190 is a non-terminating decimal representation. Okay, now next question. Next question, 11 upon 750. So we cannot reduce this, so we wrote the denominator is 750. Now we will take out the factors. 750. So 2 3s are 6, 1 carry. 2 7s are 14, 1 carry. 2 5s are 10. 5 table will now go. 5 7s are 35, 2 carry. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5, 2 carry. 5 5s are 25. Then 5 3s are 15. 3 1s are 3. So what we got? 2, 5 and 3. So we'll write 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. These are the factors we got. Okay, so here again 2 and 5 is there, but we have 3 also. Okay, so this becomes a non-terminating decimal. Okay, if only 2 and 5 would be there, it would have been terminating decimal, but we have 3 here. Okay, so what we will write? So the prime factors of 750 are 2, 3 and 5. Okay, 2, 3, 5, which is other than 2 and 5. So 3 is other than 2 and 5. So it becomes what? A non-terminating decimal. Okay, so we have completed question number 5.